Is Kaliningrad the city of trams? We are gonna figure out in this video. Welcome to Kaliningrad tram system, the oldest and the most historical tram system in Russia. The Kaliningrad tram system began its journey and operations in 1895. At that time it was serving the Germans. After the World War II, it started serving the Soviet Union, and since 1990 it is serving the Russian Federation. Right now there are more than 40 trams operating in the Kaliningrad city. This fleet of 40 trams comprises of 4 different models of trams. I have divided these models according to their geographic origin. These include the Russian tram, the Polish tram, the Czech Republic tram, and the German tram. Let's begin our tram experience journey by sitting in the Russian tram. You are currently watching the Russian tram. It is called the Corsair. It is the latest, newest and finest of all the trams in Kaliningrad. It is operational since 2020 and has been doing a great job. Let's explore it even further. We are on our way to the tram. First of all, it offers low floor, single step entrance, which is a blessing for the older people. Secondly, it offers contactless payment terminal that allows you to make the tram ticket payment yourself without actually need of the tram conductor. Well, you can also pay to the tram conductor as well. This middle part of the tram is for the special people and the cyclists. You can also see twin chairs on both sides. A very impressive wooden themed floor. Crystal clear panoramic windows for the best view. Emergency mobile charging stations. And a very smooth tram ride. Now I will be sitting in the Polish tram and let's have its experience. This is the first complete glimpse of the Polish tram. It is called the Pesa Swing. It is operational in Kaliningrad since 2012. Interestingly, it has 1, 2, 3 compartments as compared to the Russian tram, which has 2 compartments. The Polish tram is welcoming us for the trip, so let's go. We are on our way to the Polish tram. Just like the Russian tram, the Polish tram also has the low floor single step entrance, which is quite good. You are watching inside of the Polish tram. As far as seating arrangement is concerned, it has single row of seats on both sides. Only this row it has 2 seats, and apart from that the overall seating capacity of this tram is quite limited. Just like the Russian tram, the Polish tram also offers panoramic view because of the big sized crystal clear windows. Similarly, it also has contactless payment terminal. I still didn't see the tram conductor in this tram. This is another view of the seating arrangement of the Polish tram. You can see single column of seats on both sides, except for the last 2 rows with double seats and triple seats at the end. The middle part of the Polish tram, it is dedicated for the special people, cyclists, and even little kids on the carry cot or strollers. And safety enabled automatic doors for making an exit. Coming up next, it is the classic, aesthetic and epic Czech Republic tram, so stay tuned. Viewers, you are watching the first complete glimpse of the Tatra KT4 made in Czech Republic tram in Kaliningrad. This tram started its operation in Kaliningrad in 1987. Despite the presence of modern day trams and this tram being very old, it is still favorite of many people in Kaliningrad, and it has a significant amount of quantity in the transport routes. Why? Let's figure out. I am on my way to the Czech Republic tram. It has 1, 2 and 3 steps, which makes it a high floor tram. Being a high floor tram is advantageous in a sense that it gives a better view of the outside world. Look at this. I am already feeling a difference in terms of my view as compared to the other trams. Another best thing about this tram is that it offers a lot of space for its passengers. For example, its passenger seating capacity is more than any of the trams in Kaliningrad. Similarly, the standing passenger capacity is more than 100. At maximum, it can go to 170 as well. On the downside, it does have old look and feel, and its ride is rather rough as well. Oh, here is another plus. You can also bring your pet in this tram as well. A very interesting fact about the track of this Kaliningrad tram system is that its track is about 1 meter in diameter, whereas other parts of the world and in rest of the Russia it is about 1.5 meters. Let me explain you a bit further. You are watching the track of the Kaliningrad tram system. This track is 1 meter in length, but usually in rest of the world and even in rest of the Russia as well, for example Moscow and St. Petersburg, it is 1.5 meters. Now 1.5 meters has a lot of advantages. For example, it gives better stability to the trams. In Kaliningrad they have decided to stick with the older track length, which is 1 meter. The reason being, it could have been very expensive for them to actually change this track length, because they not only have to change the tracks, but they will also have to modify their trams as well. Lastly, let's discuss about the number of routes of these trams in Kaliningrad city. Right now there are 2 routes, the route number 3 and the route number 5. The route number 3 covers the famous and the most historical and probably the biggest railway station of Kaliningrad, whereas the route number 5, it covers the north railway station of Kaliningrad. It is also a very big railway station. It is the second biggest railway station in Kaliningrad. Apart from that, both of these routes cover city center, they cover upper lake, they cover lower lake, and Kaliningrad Zoo as well. So overall, both of these routes are quite worthy for the people who use public transport. So guys, that was all about the tram system of Kaliningrad. I hope you guys would have liked my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Also comment about this video about tram as well. Coming up next, I will be sharing you the video about the public transport system of Kaliningrad. So please stay tuned. Until then, goodbye. See you very soon again. Thank you.